You may have been given, for example, a betting code from, say, SportyBet, and you are on OneXBet platform. So, because of the differences in the betting code, you could not stick it. And to make matters worse, the bet played out. Yeah, I can understand that feeling, but worry no more because we are here to fix that particular challenge. This is why this tutorial is about how to convert bet booking code from different platforms. So, in this tutorial, you're going to learn how you can convert SportyBet booking code to OneXBet and vice versa. And you can as well do it across many platforms as far as you follow this tutorial to the end. So, if you are ready as I am and excited, stick around as I walk you through the step by step procedure. To begin with, let's head straight onto our betting platform. So I'm trying to convert a SportyBet code to a OneXBet code. So I have opened my SportyBet platform, and here are a list of matches happening at the moment. There are live matches, but let's deal with matches that are yet to be played. So assuming I select this option as in Gymnasia home win. Okay, so let's go on. So CA Independiente, I select home win, and then Union de Santa Fe away win. Okay, so I go down to my bet slip. So these are the teams I selected. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just using 3 teams just to save time. So 3 home wins: Gymnasia, Independiente, and then Godoy Cruz. Okay, let's go to accept changes, and then you can see at the bottom left hand side there is book bet. Because we do not want to use this platform, we're just going to get the code and then convert it into a code fit for a different platform. So let's tap on book bet, and here is our bet booking code 56207180. Okay, so let's copy it by tapping on the copy icon right beside the booking code. So successfully copied, as you can see. Now the next thing to do is to head over to a particular website which is called convertbetcodes.com, a website called convertbetcodes.com. So let's head straight over to that website. Okay, so when you get here, the first thing to do is to enter the booking code you copied from SportyBet or whatever betting platform you are using. So in my case, I copied from SportyBet, so I will just paste the booking code in here. Okay, so I've entered the booking code, and then right under that dialog box you have convert from and then convert to. So you select the particular platform from which you copied the betting code. So convert from, I tap on it, the drop down, and then I go through the options. So you can see OneXBet Cote d'Ivoire, OneXBet Cameroon, Ethiopia, OneXBet Ghana, etc. But I copied from SportyBet Ghana, so that is the option I'll scroll and then select. So I go to the S column. Let's search for it. So SportyBet Ghana, that is it. So let's tap on SportyBet Ghana, and then I wish to convert my code to OneXBet Ghana. So we're going to do the same thing. Tap on the drop down and then look through. There we go, OneXBet Ghana, in between OneXBet Ethiopia and OneXBet Kenya. So I select OneXBet Ghana, and the next obvious thing to do is to tap on convert so that it can be converted from SportyBet to OneXBet code. So we're still waiting for the conversion to be done, and there you have it. The code has been converted from SportyBet Ghana code to OneXBet Ghana code. Okay, so you can see three events. Alright, so let's go straight to the point. Let us copy our 1xBet code. So tap on it and then I copy. This time around we are heading back to the SportyBet platform. Okay, so I come home, tap on the SportyBet app, wait for it to load. After it has loaded, just tap on Bet Slip. The next option is to select Load Bet Slip. So tap on Load Bet Slip, and then you will insert the code you copied from convertbetcodes.com. The code has been converted to a 1xBet code. Options we selected on Sporty should appear here. So tap on Upload, and you can see that our selections are showing here. So if you remember, we chose Gimnasia, we chose Independiente, we chose Godoy Cruz Antonio. So there you go, and then you can just place your bet by tapping on the green icon, which is bet, and insert the amount which you wish to stake. So if you found this video helpful, thanks, and motivate me by tapping on the like button. Above all, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I've got a lot of stuff coming your way. So you may as well share, comment, and then tell me what next you wish to see so that I do that video exactly for you. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.